Things will be rapidly changing out there as we get that increased risk for severe thunderstorms. Numerous storms are expected to blossom past 3 o'clock, and that's going to take us into a later part of the night tonight until about 10 p.m. or so. Our threats with these thunderstorms today will likely be damaging winds and also a potential for a couple of tornadoes. Winds anywhere between 60 to 70 miles per hour, and we are expecting another round of thunderstorms heading into late tomorrow, but nowhere near to the extent of what we'll be experiencing here this afternoon. Level 3 risk on a scale of 1 to 5. That's across Chicago all the way out toward Iowa. Off toward the north and west is where we have the highest risk for tornadoes today. And we're really going to see that threat ramp up past 4 or 5 o'clock today. Now, while we wait on that, it's been relatively chilly all morning long. In fact, I saw a couple of folks walking around with their winter coats. We will not need those here soon. Big swings in temps headed up into the 60s by the afternoon. By 4 o'clock, we've got thunderstorms, mid 60s, upper 60s, close to 70 degrees. By midnight, that's when we'll sound the all clear from severe thunderstorms.